In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gclid in Google Ads to optimize your campaigns. If you're running online ads, understanding how to leverage Gclid or Google Click Identifier can be a game changer in boosting your ad performance. We'll walk through the entire process of setting up and using Gclid to gain insights that drive more efficient and impactful ad campaigns. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. Starting at the right place is essential to ensure you're set up correctly from the get-go. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign In button. Clicking on Sign In will take you to your Google Ads account, where all the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up before proceeding, but for today, we're assuming you're already registered and are looking to enhance your campaigns. After you've signed in, navigate your way to the Google Ads home. This is essentially your base of operations where you can get an overview of your campaigns and explore various features Google Ads offers. Once you're familiar with your homepage, locate the admin section. Clicking on admin will give you access to the settings that control how your account functions and interacts with users, including those vital campaign settings we need for Gclid. Now in the admin section, find the account settings. This part is crucial as it handles the core options that directly impact your campaign performance. Within account settings, look for an option called auto tagging. Enabling auto tagging is vital because when it's activated, Google Ads automatically tags your URLs with a Gclid ID when a user clicks on your ad. This little identifier gives you access to a treasure trove of data about how users interact with your ads, from the keywords they searched to the devices they used. By setting up auto tagging, you've now linked the dots between your ads and helpful data insights. These insights provide deeper analysis into user behavior and drive more precise targeting and optimization of your ads. Reviewing this information regularly allows you to tweak your campaigns for better performance, focusing on elements that bring the most success. Remember, understanding and effectively using Gclid can significantly elevate how your ads perform, making them truly work for you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to incorporating Gclid into your Google Ads account for campaign optimization. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to maximizing your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.